Good morning, everybody. Uh, let's do a sound test and the visual test. Can you see that? Can you introduce yourself who is online and do a sound test, please? Awesome. All right. I'm looking at the RBLX shorting under 82. I'm short under 82. Okay, it's really, really bullish. It came down and just moving back. I'm just stopping out now. Uh, Move very sharply. Look at it, how widely it is reacting right now. It's jumping too much jumping. Okay, I took some partials. I need this to a bigger partial. One is going to break 81. Okay, I got some partial on 81. I'm going to take one more partial. It's just jumping too much. But it was excellent trade, but not that as big I wanted to. It's really chopping around. Okay, very nice. Oh, I got one more partial here. Now I just want a little bit more if I can get until 1850. Awesome. Okay, so beautiful trade. Okay, beautiful first trade. I think I'm really happy with my this trade. You know sound? Guys, you can't hear me? So RBLX short, I did that. Okay, beautiful short. Now let's look at the DKNG. So under 48.20, I'm gonna go short. We are already late on this. Uh, so let's wait few more seconds on the DKNG. We are late on the DKNG, but just late a little bit more on the DKNG. Okay, let's look at the tail. So tail right now is up. I'm thinking we're gonna plan for the DKNG. I think DKNG looks very interesting. And also Riot is looking very interesting. Let's look at the Riot. Uh, okay, we missed the Oracle entry too, but Riot looks good. Let's focus on Riot now. And the DKNG is chopping right now. We missed the Oracle entry. So far, I only traded. Okay, Riot looks good. If it's break the 3420, if it's break 3420, it could be an interesting one. But right now, it doesn't do anything. DKNG is also moving up. Allies really looks strong. Go to is looks very strong. Go to is look weak. Tail is really strong. DKNG looks really strong now. Let's look at the XPAF. Let's look at the SPAF. I'm going to go short, but under 39.50 with the 20-cent stop loss. You know what? Ignore it. Don't short it. I mean, don't short the XPAF now. Okay, look at the Riot again. If it's come under 34.30, the price action is too small, too weak. You know, it's really choppy. Look at that. No way it's forming. Look, it's really too stalling. The price action of the Riot is also stalling. The stalling price action is not good. It can pop in either direction. Low volume as well. If the Riot come under below 34.50, I'm gonna go short. Let's check RBLX again. So let's see if it's you know touch the VWAP and what it does. If it's reject again, we can add back into the RBLX trade. Let's see, but it has to right now it's look the good volume. I want under 81, 81. I'm gonna add a small size. It's gonna go move up. So okay. It's rejecting. Let's wait a few more seconds to finish this. Okay, it's coming under 81. Let's this minute over, and then we're gonna go short to see what it does. Okay. Okay. So now let's see if it's come under this 81 level. Then we're gonna short. Okay. Ask is still above the 81. So no. Okay. I'm closing my remaining position because I think it's gonna move above the VWAP now. It's really is gonna move a little bit up before it comes down back. Um, so right now it seems 81.20. It seems like a big resistance. Okay, let's see what it does. Let's wait this 5 minutes to over. Look at this very bullish candle, and it's wanna pop up, right? And that's what I was thinking that it's gonna pop now because the way it is reacting, that is not safe for RBLX to go short now. I think let's wait a little bit more time to settle. It's too wild at this point. It's holding this 8180, which was a prior uh, resistance here. If it comes down, then we can definitely short. But it seems to me that it's holding this level, and which is also the pre-market kind of a support as well. So it seems like it's gonna pop up right now. All right, so Riot is getting ready for us to short. Under 34.50, we can go short. Uh, See here, it's popped RBLX. Okay, I'm short Riot. I didn't get the right good fill. I got fill on the bit, but looks good at this point. Uh, okay, so it's moving down now. Let's see. I wanted this stock to break down now. We can add if we want over 30 under 34 if we want to, but let's see what the formation is going to do. Um, right now it's still the holding 34.50, which is not good, and over the VWAP. Uh, it's already had a support once here, second here, and it's just moving up. So if it's move above the 34.60, I'm gonna reduce the size. Because it's looked like then it's wanna hold the VWAP. But as far as underneath of that, we are fine. But we want this to move down quickly. So it looks good. A bit is coming down now. Okay, looks good, but still holding. See here, this holding VWAP on the 5 minute chart, um, which is annoying. Uh, Also look at the XPAF. XPAF. It looks good shorting under 34.75, but let's see what it does. So Riot is not doing anything. It's making. Just gonna reduce it. My size. Uh, I don't like the candle. It's still under 34.50, but I just reduce it. I don't want it to squeeze back in because it's taking too long. The volume is not that much. The volume is not that great, so I just want to reduce my size. On the break even, I reduced it. Uh, so far, only one good trade. XPAF, oh XPAF, yeah, looks really good. I'm gonna go short now. If it's gonna come under 30, 34.70, the ride is moving but very slowly. I'll check SPAF, XPAF if it's come under 39.70, I'm gonna go short. Okay, it's pulling back up now, so it's still not ready to come down. That's good. Okay, see here how jumpy it is. It's doing good, but it's really jumpy. Okay, so XPEV is coming down. Get ready for going short. 39.70, 39.70 is holding that level. This level has been defended very well. So if it's gonna break this, it's gonna be a good momentum. I'm just closing this. I don't like this. It's just coming to uh, slowly. I'm short. Okay, first shot, very beautiful. Uh, very beautiful entry on 34.72. It's pulled back up again on the entry. Uh, the defenders, buyers are defending this price. Let's see what it does next. My price is 39.72. I closed the Riot. Riot is not doing anything. XPAV is oh wow, XPAV is just getting wild here. Um, it's getting wild here. Our entry at 72, 20-cent stop loss. If it's move over 39.95, I'm gonna stop out right now. It's not doing as I was expecting. It came down initially, but then moved back up. So I'm just getting ready. I don't wanna chop on this strong stock on the high of the day. It's just gonna quickly move up. So if it's move over 39.80, 85, quickly put the button on the closing and then immediately close it. Don't think twice on this if it's moved back up. Okay, don't give the room. But I think it might gonna test VWAP 39.30, but it has to come sharply. If it's come back under, we can just add a little bit. If we wanted to add, I added a little bit more. Uh, it's coming down, looks beautiful. But if it's move over 39.80 to 84, I'm just gonna stop out. I'm not gonna wait for 34.90. It's still holding 39.70, which is not good sign. It's a low volume day, you know, not a good action plan. Look at this now, the riot is moving down when I closed it. Uh, Still 39.70 is holding, which is not good sign. Some hidden buyer holding that level. See here, bid is going up 73, 76, 75. All right, can again see again is moving back up. So it's really holding that 39.70 level. Looks doesn't look good. Uh, doesn't look good. Okay, I'm gonna reduce it. I've closed it. I've closed it. It doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. I've closed the XPAV on the small loss. Doesn't look good. It seems like it's gonna pop, but if it's gonna come back under 39.70, I'm gonna add back, no problem. But at this point, it's look like that it's not ready to come down. Oh, tail looks good. Oh man, tail, we have missed the tail. Still look good, little bit over 36.20. Let's see what it does here. I think if it's break this level, then we can go. Under 30 26.20 we can go. Okay, XPAV is coming back down. And okay, okay, XPAV move back up. I think tail is ready. Tail is really ready to come down. If let's say let's ask come under 26.20. Okay, I'm short. I'm short tail. I'm short tail. I didn't get the complete fill because of the restriction. Okay, this is coming. I'm short XPAF too. I'm short both stocks. Now let's hope for to work both of them, or is they both of them gonna squeeze back and it's gonna suck them up. Come on, XPAF, come on, don't disappoint this time. Tail is really not doing anything. Tail has a tendency to squeeze you back up. Uh, so didn't do much. Just move back up, holding this 30 26 level, defending this level. Okay, it is all right now on our entry. XPAV is fell off and then just moving back up. So both are not doing what we're expecting to do. Uh, so let's see what it does now. Guys, don't be, please give a thumbs up if you like it. Mare is short on tel too. I mean, I am short too, but I don't like, to be very honest, I don't like it. It's so slow right now. Uh, and even the XPath, look at this, is stalling on the entry. So I don't know. I'm just gonna cover it because I don't like the stalling actions. Both of them, see here, is squeezed back up. I squeezed here again on the XPath. Uh, so it doesn't, I don't like it. I'm gonna just cover it if it's gonna go over 80. If it's gonna go over the previous resistance, I'm just gonna close it. It's just insanely doing. Okay, I'm out. I'm out on the XPath. XPath is initial good move, and this time I'm expecting much bigger move, and then it's just stalled. So here we go with the two losing trades in XPath. One good winner on RBLX, one small winner on the Riot. I closed it because it's not moving as we expecting. Right now we have only left with tail, and I'm really not hoping too much unless it just break 26. Very slow action. Look at the XPath. Look, see, I'm glad I stopped out. Okay, so tail looks good. Yeah, I'm thinking to add under 26. To be very honest, looks really good right now. If because it's already rejecting the VWAP coming down now. So it seems it looks good. If it's gonna come, I'm gonna add under 26, but it has to come. But right now there is no volume. Okay, so volume started coming in. I'm gonna add a small size under 26.10, and then I'm gonna add under 26. No, so no, XPav is holding this 26 level, really holding this level. It has to come under 26.10 and then 26.14, 12. Okay, so I think it's now doing good. Uh, okay, so I am full size now. I really hope now it's gonna give me at least uh, 50 cents. Guys, give the thumbs up, guys. Not really doing good. Come on, come on, come on. Give a 50 cents, man. Breakdown. Breakdown. Give us a 50 cents. Give us a 50 cents. on, come down. Look, see, no volume, no momentum on the tail. This is not good. That's not good. If it's no momentum, it can squeeze you back. Uh, Come on. Last hope, tell last hope. XPEV has rejected all-time $40 mark, and it's so slow. I hate slow price action. Look at the RBLX. I told you not to go on the VWAP. Look at this. We glad that we didn't go short, but we didn't go long. I think that was I was thinking, to be honest, going long on that because it seems to me that this really want to pop. Come on, made a day. Give us a 50 cents. Come on. Last hope. Tell. 20 seconds left. 80 seconds. 40 seconds left in the in 10 in 5 minutes to finish. It's really momentum coming, but I need a big bar. Come, big bar. 10 seconds. Come on. LI is making a nice. I want to take any more trade, but LI looks good for shorting. This tail is not doing anything. It's holding this support on the 2580, which is not a good sign. It's just holding this line. It is not good. It's not even reached to that point, and then it's just moving back up. It's not a good sign. Look at this, how strong the volume came in. I'm gonna cover if it's gonna move back up. It's really strong. Look at the size of the red candle and look at the squeezed here. It squeezed everyone, man. I hate that, man. I was expecting it's gonna come. Let's just wait for a few more seconds. But look at the size of the green candle. It's holding 26 level. That is so annoying. Uh, if it's hold 26, then it can be very nasty. Uh, Come on, come on. Break down, break down. It shouldn't be holding 26. Come on, break down. Okay, it's still comfortable. Better that rejected the 26 level. No, I think we are in a good position, I guess, because it's rejected the 26. I will take my first partial on 2560. I see so many resistance here. Let's see how does it break. If it's break better, we might gonna get something. Come on. Every candle is a pain. So, LI looks really good under 2750. It's really good short, very small 10 cents risk. Uh, so it looks good. If you are not in the tail, you want to join, it seems to me a nice entry or adding point on 2580 as well. Come on, don't, oh man. See, these lines, these are good support for it. It's just holding it. Maybe it's gonna take a while before it reject. But if it's gonna break these levels, it's gonna be very interesting. So LI, if you guys have short LI 25, 2750, this could be a good shot, guys, if you wanna enter. Uh, I'm just thinking that I'm gonna close this shitty trade. I don't have my buying power anymore left because this is the Chinese stock, and the Chinese stock keep interactive broker keep a lot of margin here. So my capital is tied up uh, with this trade. I don't have any buying power to take any more trade. Okay, good. Come on. It crashed now. I just don't want it to see. I wanted to see this rejection, this breaking of these levels 70, 73, 78. These are the strong levels supported created in the pre-market. Now I think it might can go to, and see again is holding 73, man. This is these it seems like these are the steel lines for them. It's just holding these levels so badly. Come on, man. Okay, let's wait another a few more minutes to see that whether it breaks or not. See, he's again holding that. I'm not happy the way this holding these levels, but I'm getting greedy with my partials. So what I'm thinking, see here is just bounce back very hardly. If it's gonna come above uh, 26 this time, I'm just gonna close it. I don't wanna take any more risk here on this stock. It's just squeezing very hardly and not moving down. Uh, so if it's come over 26, I'm just gonna close it. I don't wanna lose this any of the money. 26. See here. Look at how the price is jumping. I'm closed. I'm done. And this is nasty. The way it is see the way it is was stalling here. It seems to me that it's wanted to move up. See, all ally squeezed, and then this also tail is getting squeezed too. I mean, it's maybe we should go long, I guess. If we're gonna go long, I think this is a perfect time to go long because the way it is squeezing, I'm long now. Let's see what it does. I'm long. Not very big size, but small size. I lost my money here on uh, my. Let's those who are short now, they're gonna be in the pain. Those who have not closed it, I'm gonna close the at the 2650 if it's moved back up because there would be a lot of people have shorting the stocks, and now they're gonna be in pain the moment it's gonna squeeze back up. Let's see what it does in the next few seconds. For them, it's a sign of relief now because the VWAP have been rejected. But if it's gonna cross now, it can be a nasty. It can be a nasty burn for all the short squeeze. See here. Now the short are getting covering the shorts. Let's see. I just wanted to see over the VWAP. I still have 450 shares. Uh, if it's going to squeeze, I think it has a possibility of squeeze because a lot of people have shot it here, and the moment is gonna go over 2630, it will no time is gonna be 2660. Come on, tell, squeeze everyone. I am long, squeeze everyone. Come on, one more. Give 2650 and I'm gonna be happy. Although I'm very small size, but I'm gonna be happy. Come on, come on, come on. Don't do up and down. Just squeeze them. Squeeze them. Squeeze them. No sign of relief. Squeeze them. Come on. Don't. Just squeeze them. What do you guys think? Is tail is going to squeeze or no? Come on. 5 more seconds. I'm ready to close. If it comes down, I'm gonna just close it. Come on. Squeeze. Don't give a sign of relief. Just squeeze them. Squeeze. Origin is squeeze me. It's just gonna drop now. Okay. I'm out on my long trade too. It's not ready to squeeze. Neither is going ready to come down. I didn't get some good trade. I only had a one good trade on RBLX. If it's break under 49, I'm gonna go short. Although we are a little bit late, but I'm gonna short this DKNG. This is going to be my last trade. I think let's try one more time Tel because Tel looks weak now. Again, it's just popped over the VWAP. Let it break under 26. Or maybe it's just a sideway action, it doesn't want to do anything. DKNG is also pulled back up heavily. It seems to me that this just market are getting tricky. The moment you see something and it just moved back up. I'm definitely gonna go long if it's go over 26.25. Oh, I'm short on the tail and the tail has again squeezed me. Oh shit. Okay, I'm squeezed twice now on the tail. I'm stopping out. If it's go over 26.10, I'm gonna be stopped out. Okay, I'm out. Man, not a good trade trading day. All right, so uh, a very small green day. So very small green day. X pair I squeezed twice. Tail I squeezed twice. Right, very small gainer. And RBLX is the only trade which had a good winner. And I again see the RBLX is wanted to come down. So under 85.40, I might gonna go short again. Uh, so I'm short RBLX. Okay. So I'm short RBLX, small size. I don't want to close my day red now. Uh, let's see. I'm short on 85.28. I wanted to see the break of 80. What is my 85.37 is my cost. I don't want to see is over 85.60 this stock. I think it might gonna go down, but let's see. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 85.60. I'm gonna just stop out on 85.60. Okay, I'm closing it, and this squeezed me. Wow. Uh, Not yet. Still, the bid is under 59, under 60. So bid was still under 85.60. I didn't stop out yet. I think this has a potential. Uh, okay, I think it has a potential to go and give us a. I'm gonna take a first partial on 84.70, but it's holding this. Oh shit! I added into my position and then it's just squeezed back up. Uh, so I wanted to see the 80 under 85. This looks really good right now, but as you know, it's a little choppy. Took a very small size right now. I will be happy if I get some 50-80 cents. I look at the 85.25 is a big seller here. Is this is the bullet sign because stock might move back up. Yeah, see here. Um, look. I don't know what Tail is trying to do. I mean, it's just It squeezed me twice on it. I want to try again. Okay, so RBLX is also not doing really good. Uh, Very stalling price action. Buyers are defending this level. I really wanted to see breaking down uh, under 85. Let's see, could we see the under 85 RBLX? I think there is a potential to go all the way to the 83. But I'm just gonna take the first partial because it looks really strong still. I'm gonna take first partial on 84.50, around 84.70. Look at this, how small candle size it is, and the candle size is small. This means that uh, stock doesn't want to come down, and let's look at support here. Uh, Come on, come on. If it's gonna break now, we might gonna get a good break. I'm to be very honest, I'm telling you, because this is a gap down stock, moved up too much, maybe a first pullback after moving back up. If it's gonna give us a move back down now, it's gonna be very interesting. But it's really need to break 85 level. If it's gonna break 85 level, a lot of people gonna join this trade, and we might gonna get some good momentum. See here, but is someone is defending this? Man, it's gonna squeeze a lot of short sellers. So 85.60 is my stop loss. I don't want to hit my stop loss because oh man, look at this, how quickly it squeezed everyone. So yeah, bid is over 60. I'm just closing it now. Okay, see the way it is moved back, it squeezed everyone, all the short sellers. Uh, and this is really annoying part of it. Right now it's holding 85.60, so I'm very close to stopping out now. Okay, man, it's just a 1 minute candle. Look at the 80 cents. Oh man, let it cool down and then I'm gonna stop out. Look at this. It's really looks very strong now. It doesn't want to come down. So I'm really hoping it's to fail, but looks at how strong it is. Eh, it's just gonna be the scary squeeze. I've not stopped out yet because it was just too jumpy, and maybe it's just a one candle. I really now look at the tail is coming back down. Maybe this time it is ready. I mean, I don't know. Uh, but I don't want to try. I already tried twice. I've lost 200 bucks on this trying, and you know, okay. I think this is getting ready. To cover, man. It's getting really nasty now. RBLX. It's really looking very nasty, bullish. Look at this, how it's squeezing everyone. Come on, break this, man. Okay, so I think it's really bullish right now. I'm just wanna wait to stop out. Uh, okay, I'm out. It's really very strong, really strong. Look at this, man. It's squeezed everyone now. Oh man, look at this RBLX. Let's see. This is my last trade. I re-entered on the tail, and if I'm stop out, I'm gonna stop out on the break even or maybe slightly red. Uh, Now look at this. See, that was telling you that it's squeezed everyone. Now it's coming down. It's so jumpy, man. So jumpy. All the price action is like this today. Not a clean move. Any of the clean move. Dish is the low of the day. I don't know. I don't like the low of the day shorts. It's really squeeze. It's only have a 20 cents room for the pre-market low. Wow, look at the RVLX. Okay, finally TEL is working. Now see, does it break this pre-market? I'm already, uh, I'm only, my all my gains has been lost. So I'm only $100 positive. The only thing it is now is this TAL. Uh, then still, see, still again it's holding this level. So doesn't look. I think it's. I'm gonna end my day on the break even. I just don't want it to uh, go red now. Um, let's see what it does. It's now see the time and sales start moving in. A lot of you see a lot of big people, big trades are buying here. The green. It's maybe a cover. It's maybe a cover because they think that this is in the channel, or maybe there's a buying at this price. Uh, Low of the day, they think that's not going to move up. So now this last chance, it break now 81. Let's see that does it in the same candle. Does it break 73? Because last few times it hold the 73. And the only interesting part is that it's rejected the VWAP, but this going to be a very important. It can create a double bottom here and then move back up. So 73 could be an important level here. It is better to in the this new candle is just go directly red. It doesn't come any bounce on green. So then it's not gonna form the double bottom. But if it's gonna stuck here, then it may form a double bottom. So okay, that's good. So it's broke this. I think that is a good sign. Little bit zoom in. So it is a good sign here. Now what we need to see that does it continue coming down and break the low of the day and the low of the pre-market. Low of the pre-market is 2550. So now look at this here, it's almost on the 71. We want this candle to break much lower than that, so there will be a no double bottom formation. So then the other people who traders who have a strategy of a short selling, they don't short trade. NET is looks really look good for the short. If you wanted to go and see under 93.60, it's really good shot. But I don't have buying power. My buying power is stuck here. But looks really good under 93.6, 50. Let me try if I have my execution done. Okay, my execution is getting done. I can only get 150 shares. I'm in the trade right now. I think I should close this and then get this. Uh, uh, get the NET trade instead of this. This is stupid. It's not moving anywhere. Wasting time. Okay, if it's gonna move 80 above 85, I'm just gonna close it. I closed it, man. I could have taken this much better trade here. Let's see if it's good a good formation here, then I'm gonna go. Let's check the RBLX as well. I think RBLX might gonna give a one more chance to go under. I'm short XPAF. Okay, NET is squeezing back up. Wow, I didn't see that, and it's just moving back up. Okay, if it's gonna break this, I'm gonna stop out. Wow, I'm gonna squeeze. Just a bad luck, I guess. S- s- Oh, what happened? My action. Oh man, my order didn't execute. Let's wait. If it doesn't, my order didn't execute. 76. Oh man, I don't know why my order didn't execute here. Oh, I think we missed the RBLX trade. Hi, hi. Yeah, it's a bad luck. I was looking at something else and I just missed it. Let me try my last trade on the DKNG under 49. Um, look weak. Couple of times came down, uh, making a nice formation here. Uh, DKNG looks good to me under 49. DKNG looks good. Uh, NET also looks good now. Two trades are looking good at this point. Let's see that does it break the 49.80? It could be an important resistance. Okay, NET looks good. DKNG looks good. Took the first partial, but I wanted to see under 48.60. Tail finally breaking down. Okay, so I think DKNG looks good. I want 48.60. If I can get 48.60, I'm going to be a lucky. At least I'm going to be done green. I'll, I'm now I did a lot of I did a good trade, but then I just did over trade a little bit in TL and XPAV, and it turned me negative. Come on, just break 84.60. Come on, come on. There is a resistance on 84.70. Um, Today the stock it open. Come on, come on. Don't do that like a tail. Okay, we got the 60. Very nice. This is moving. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice, very beautiful trade. I think DKNG was making a day. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Only 10 cent was a stop loss, and this beautiful trade. Uh, is just pushing down. I think I'm gonna get a little bit more. So I guess now the only question is that can we get a little bit more? Can we get one more push down to 48? Can we get one more push to 40? Come on, come on. Looks really weak now. If we can get the 48, that is going to be a lucky part of this trading day. It really looks weak. Really looks weak here. If you look at it, doesn't have any push back up. Okay, the push now came in. Wow. Oh man, it's just ruining my profit. I'm just gonna add a little bit in case it's just gonna come down. Let's see what it does next. 8 more seconds left. Come on, crush down, crush down, crush down. Give us the 48. This was the previous day close. I think it's the 48.50. Yeah, that is the previous day close, and that's why it's giving this as a support here. Let's look at the daily. Yeah, this was the yesterday. I still think that it has the potential to come down. Oh wow, NET is squeezing me back. I'm just gonna close it, man. It's just not doing anything, just moving up and down. Look at the RBLX, the way we wanted to move, and it's just for a few seconds we skipped it, and then boom. I'm just gonna close this on the loss. See, just unluckiness of the XPath and the RBLX both are coming down now. We just bit early for a few more seconds. Okay, so I think our DKNG move is finished. If it's go over 48.80. Wow, it's it's just moving up. Let's give a last chance to XPath. Let's just last chance to DKNG. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? If you guys give me message me. Okay, if it's going over 4880, I'm just gonna close this. If 4880 last doesn't look this looks doesn't look good. This 5 minute, it might maybe it just wanted to retest this 4885 prior resistance. No, I'm just not saying anything. I'm just waiting. Um, so I'm just waiting for right now. So I'm short right now. I don't want DKNG to move over the prior close. Still, I have a big size here. It seems to me that the move is over. Um, let's see what it does. It's really nasty right now. It's so maybe he's gonna retest that 40, 49 level. I'm still on the break even, uh, but not quite a bit. So my average cost is 48 because I added on the way up. So my average cost is 48.90 right now. So I'm 4 cents out of money right now. But I think it's moved too big. I just wanted to fail it one more time, retry coming down. I don't expect now it is gonna go back to 48.50, but I'm just thinking it's gonna just move back slightly. But I don't think the DKNG is in any mood of going back down. It's just look at the volume is coming in. Um, it's a big move. It's just cover all the way. All the move has been recovered. So maybe it's gonna retest that level. Initially, I was thinking it's gonna touch the 48.85 and gonna bounce down, move back down. But right now, it's not. Maybe the whole number is the testing point. Uh, so let's see what it does. Slightly, I'm break even now. 48.90 is on right now. But yeah, it started a very nice day, but not anymore. I'm I'm pretty much flat at this point. Uh, yeah, but if it goes to 48.60, 48.50, then maybe a decent day. It's holding this 48.90, which is not a good sign. So 1.5 minute left in closing this 5 minutes. This 5 minutes going to tell what is going to happen. So right now it's making, topping tail. So is in our favor. So it's coming down. But now the next 1 minute is also important. Does it come back down, or is just stay over this 48, 76, 78? So that is the important sign. Last few seconds to 50 seconds left to see what it's going to do. Uh, right now it is under the very close to the opening yesterday close. Uh, a day before yesterday, I guess, the close. Okay, so it doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. 15 more seconds. Let's see what it does. I don't want this to be a bullish candle to end. If it's a doji or is a topping tail, then the short uh, will support this or move. Otherwise, they want to cover this, right? So right now it doesn't look good. Yeah, doesn't look good at all. It has to immediately comes down, or otherwise I have to stop out. It looks so nasty. So it's touching the moving average now, right? 48.95 if you look at it, 50 moving average. So it has to come down, break down immediately. No, see, look at this, it's not breaking down. So I have a decent size right now. Uh, I'm just hoping that this candle would fail. On the 5-minute chart, if you see, is touching the moving average. That is my plan. If it's not, then I have to stop out. So I'm glad. Okay, so it's right now it's rejecting that. So still positive. Still I'm in the trade. The trade is working. Um, Now we need to see a crash. We need to see a crash here because if it's not crash here, then it's mean that it doesn't want to go down. Okay, it's good. It's coming down now. So I want 80, 48.60, 48.50. That could be a good point here. Come on. Turn the radio on the Friday night. It won't be long. Come on. Look at the XPath, man. XPath has squeezed me thrice and then now it's moving, giving the move what I was expecting. Oh man. DKNG, you can do it. Give me a little bit of a room, man. Little bit of a room. Tail didn't do much today. See, Tail is doing right now. It's so slow. If I have in the trade, then I would have saved uh, this loss, XPAF loss, and the RBLX loss as well, because then I would not have traded. So my biggest, I think my last trade on XPAF is a big loser because I was expecting a big move down. So other two trade was not so. XPAF was a nasty. And now only hope is in the DKNG because DKNG is the last hope for me. I'm just gonna call it a day. Not so much. Action plan is a bit nasty. RBLX did exactly what we expect, but we just early little bit today. And then the second time I was not looking at it when it happened. Um, come on DKNG. Come on, RBLX. RBLX is just holding that level. It's a previous day close. It's very close to previous day close. Doesn't want to go down. That was I was thinking that it might just gonna go a little bit down and then move back up. So um, mm, oh man, look at this. Oh man, just one candle, 15 cents. Wow. So uh, if it's go over the opening line, I'm just gonna close it. I'm really tired now. Not doing anything. I'm still have a good amount of shares. What do you think, guys? Is DKNG gonna come down or is gonna do like the tail that squeeze us quite, and then after a while it's gonna come down? What do you think? Look at this XPath. We I entered here, squeezed me out, and then look at this. This is exactly the move I was expecting. And this is exactly what I'm expecting in XPath. RBLX did the same thing. It squeezed us out and then it came down. I mean, it's just the unlucky piece, which, you know, a frustrating part. Now, only hope is from the DKNG. DKNG, if you look at the daily of the DKNG, look at this DKNG. Look, the low of the day is this 47.91. Yesterday was a gap down but moved so much. I think it might have a potential to come down to 48. But let's see what it does. But I need a momentum. I don't want to wait whole day of this, man. Now I want this to make the new low. Come on, come on, come on. Don't push, don't bounce back, don't bounce back, don't bounce back. Come on, come on. Don't bounce back. Don't bounce back now. I just wanted to. Come on, don't bounce back. Come push, come down. I will take the first partial on 48.30 with a moving average. Where is the moving average? Come on, come down. Break this level. Come on, come on, come on. DKNG, you can do it. Come on, 48.30. Come on, come on. Break this. Come on, don't. Just come down. Don't make a double bottom here, man. Don't make a double bottom. Don't make the double bottom. 10 seconds left. 10 seconds left, making double bottom. Come on. Don't make double bottom, just come down. Come on. Come on. Making a double bottom here. Very low volume, this candle. Come on. Come on, DKNG, you can do it. Come on, bit should go down. Come on. I think that's the. Come on. Oh, squeeze back double bottom. Squeeze back up double bottom. I added a little bit. I was thinking it's gonna break now. It shouldn't be go at 48.63. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Stay under 48.60, come down. Push down. Come on. Not a good sign making double bottom here. Come on. Break now, man. It's too much waiting. Look at the RBLX, man. RBLX is just crushing. We are just late by a few minutes, and then I was not watching it. And you guys are not even telling me that, watch again, it's coming down. Man, what are you guys doing? You should. I missed RBLX, man. Come on, let's break this 48.50, man. Just do at least one trade. Come on. Come on. Don't make double bottom. Go to 48.30. Come on. Come on. All right, let's wait now. I think it's not willing to come. It's making a double bottom here. Last 2 minutes are left. Come on. It's making a double bottom here. Look at the RBLX now, man. So unhappy, man. I'm so unhappy today. Not a single move I get it. Every move, either I squeeze me and then comes in, or when I stopped out and then it's moving back down. Don't look at the DKNG as well. It's doing exactly like what it did in a tail. All right, guys, I'm just gonna close this. Uh, I'm very small break even, only $152. Um, we made some good trades, but we didn't get the right move for a longer time. And maybe I was just a bit impatient. I don't know. But you know, this is the way it is that we shouldn't give let stock move against us. We went down, it just quickly moved in and moved back up, and then I was not watching it. If I watching this, I was definitely want to try again 85.50, under 85.50, but we were not watching it. Yeah, and you know what we do next time when we do a stream, you also look stocks, those are in play, right? So if I miss something, you can still message and see, right? Let's check the BBY. So BBY over 29 long. Let's check the daily. This really looks weak to me. I don't know. This has a potential to go over 29 because if you're expecting to go over 29, essentially you're expecting is to be a bullish and come and touch the 29 $30 mark. Uh, and you have a pre-market or the pre-market or the initial resistance of 2905. So no, I think not a right idea because you have a 2905 resistance, but if it can break, then you have a next resistance of 2930. So you have a chance uh, to go, but at least has to cross 2907 or zero 05 first. Alright, I think I should cover this as well. It's not going anywhere. Look at this candle size, man. I don't know what they're doing. It's just moving up and down, up and down. I'm really tired now looking at these. Let's check PDSP. Yeah, this is a good one, Andre. If you took this one, yeah. It's not a break-even day today. I think let me keep it like this. I don't want to go red now again. Sorry guys, I wouldn't be that helpful today, so I'm just gonna close today. Really tired now after this many trades. All right. Yeah. Okay. All right. So I'm just closing the session now. Sorry, couldn't be much helpful. Look at this is my result. I think XPAV was the biggest loss because I tried 3 times, and RBLX was a profitable trade, but second trade it squeezed me. DKNG was a good trade, but I couldn't finish all my partials because if I have partial, then it may be $800 trade. NET was a small loser. Ride was a small winner. A lot of trades, but without any move. So, all right, guys, thank you.